How is everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Drama 1093. Today we are opening up a Dusk Ball Pokeball D20. So, went ahead and took the wrapper off to save us some time. Inside of this Dusk Ball, we got ourselves 3 packs of cards. We got Sun and Moon Burning Shadow, and XY Breakpoint, along with the coin that always comes in each Pokeball. So, I'm gonna take this Pokeball, put it off to the side along with the coin, and we'll get right into the opening. So, first pack up, we'll go with Sun and Moon. Let's see if we can't pull anything rare out of here. Green code card. Doesn't look that good. Alright, well, let's try for that holo, the reverse holo. So, first up we have Energy, Wishy-Washy, Energy Retrieval, Crocrunk, Paris, Pharaoh, Litten, Yogus, Sunskirt. The reverse holo is a Lantern, alright. And the holo is a Crab Manibble. Alright, so not that great there. Next pack, going on to Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Alright, while I'm opening this up, if you guys want to scroll on down and hit that subscribe button to see more future videos of what you can get inside of Pokeballs and other types of videos, it'd be much appreciated. Another green code card, not looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, put those off to the side. Green Energy, Heatmore, oh, that's kind of a cool card. Weakness Policy, Potown, Caterpie, Ponpour, Ratatat, Mudbray, Magikarp, and the reverse holo is a reverse holo Gyarados. Okay, so obviously the next card isn't going to be that good. Yeah, Linkrock, but that reverse holo Gyarados is a pretty nice pull off a green card, so I'll take that. Put these right over to the side. Get right into our last pack. Alright, so XY Breakpoint. Last time I did this pack, I ended up pulling myself a $100 Gyarados card. So let's see if I can't get that luck continuing. 3 green code cards in a row. First time that's happened to me. 1, 2, 3, because you may do 3 with this one. Or, well, maybe I messed up somewhere, but whatever. Alright, going with a Great Ball, Delaquint, Nuzleaf, Electabuzz, Ferroseed, Blitzy, Shelder, Psyduck. Reverse holo is a Ratatat. And the rare is a Clefable. Okay, so didn't really get anything today other than that reverse holographic Gyarados. Here are the code cards for anyone that wants them to use for the online game. Thank you everyone for joining and tuning in. Please hit that subscribe button to help me out. And as always, I'll see you next time and have a great rest of the night.